another day on the water. It's a bit lumpier today, a little bit of swell. It's a big tide, I think, more than anything. Too much motion in the water, and quite exciting getting off the beach.
Oh, wasn't it?
But we made it.
Yeah, we did. Dry.
It was supposed to be a lot flatter today than yesterday. It's supposed to be no wind at all, but again, as usual, you know how it goes. So anyway, we're going to go out. We're going to start off with a few pots today. Then we're going to go out fishing. We're just going to take our time. I just want to make sure that out there doesn't pick up as the tide goes down, because that's normally what happens for a couple of hours. It goes like a rocket out there when the tide starts leaving the bay. So we'll play around for a bit, then we'll head out and do some fishing. Not a lot in there, Chuck. Just some smile. He's getting very deep in there, aren't they? Chuck it over there. It's hard finding anything when you're this high tide. Next. This is the one.
So excited for dinner.
Ancient pot. Yeah. See how the crabs are getting smaller now. That means that the
march is over.
The march has happened, and it's starting to come to an end. I think you still will get a few big ones here and there, but this is where it starts to end. Do this one, 'cause it's one of the old pots. Bait, there's not a big bunch of that bait.
I love it when they're balled up like that.
Yeah, not like when they're like this.
No, definitely not like that.
There we go. Done. Okay. Then a piece of bait goes in.
It's just the outer bit. Oh, what's up with them today?
Well, they see all the lovely food you're putting in the pot. Why aren't they out fishing? Should be out there on the whitebait shoals getting dinner. They're waiting for benefits. The payout. the edge of this reef. That's what I want to know. Drop it there. We can get that rope up to the snag. I was about to say it's just about here. Can you? Yeah, keep an eye on it. It's down there somewhere. It's in this patch. You keep your eyes on it once you lose sight of it. We'll have a pop at it, but whether we can get it, I don't know. Let me do it. Just keep your eyes on it. Oh yeah, it is bobbing up. Weird though. Oh, it's got a thicker rope, hasn't it? Gaff's pulling out the bloody end, look. Maybe it is stuck down. It is jammed, I think. Unless somebody's laid over it. Yeah, it's just hooked down. The pot was snagged a little bit to the bottom, it's holding the bobbers down. There we go. Oh well, we know it's next to a rock. Although there's nothing there, it's as flat as a pancake according to my sounder. There you go. It's funny, eh? Because like I say, on here, it shows it as a flat bottom. Although no, there's a rock there. It's right next to one rock. Well, we've made it out here. The seas are quite big, but a bit of action with the birds, so maybe there's some fish, so we'll see. Just so you're aware, I might have to, if we get big tipper waves, I might have to put the gear, boat and gear, and move us pretty quick. So. Right, let's move up. I'm going to move over that way where the birds flew over, because we're about to go into this. Oh, there's a fish. This choppy bit, that's the problem. Give it a quick drop then, because that was just below the boat, mine was. Yeah, I only had the one as well, so. Now the birds have come back over here, look. Where we're drifting to. You're going to have to be ready to move. Don't drop all the way to the bottom. Not on this drift. Actually, I'm going to move. It's not happening. Watch this one. Ready to brace yourself if we get anything that turns on us. Pick that up off the bottom, I think. I think I caught at the bottom. What colour's that on the chicky? Yeah. Nope. out. I don't think there's anything in this bit. Put the gear back, that's one thing.
Nice pollock.
Wow, they put a hell of a fight up. Put a hell of a fight up, that thing. See Chucksy? See Chucksy? It's the size of them. They're decent, but they're not those giants. When you see the size of the mouth difference. This one's about the best now. They're still decent enough fish. They're not like tiddlers in this. But these big lures are just out of the range of those ones quite often. But you see where you hook them on the outside of the mouth properly most of the time with those hooks. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's a bruiser. The hook's going pretty quick. Lining them up, lining them up, lining them up, lining them up. I lost one, it fell off and then it landed on the hook at the bottom and through his tail. That was brilliant. Thought I'd lost it, no? I just had this bass. Rebecca had a nice pollock. Unfortunately the camera had crashed, so we didn't get the footage of the capture. Where's the tape measure? It's nice and flat. 46 centimetres, that one. They're very thin though. They're quite thin, these bass, which is surprising. I thought they'd be quite plump by now. Silverfish. Silverfish. Look at me go. 2 bass. One down there, one up there. Oh. Keep a little on that. One down. That one on the front hook. Hey, we might have one if it doesn't shrink. One shrunk already, I can see. The other one might be a goodie. Yeah? Good. We got one. The other one I think will be too small, but we'll check it. Yeah, that's too small. Yep. Back he goes. Oh, it must have got out the hole. Not that big. Well, we managed to get 4 lobsters, and the mackerel and pollock and bass you saw that came up, and that was kind of it. But it was alright. Bit rough at first, bit sketchy with some of those waves to start with, but it flattened out nice. It's going to be a big low tide today. There's a yawning seagull on the back of the dinghy.
Oh.
Anyway, he'll catch you on the next one.